on my lap. Hello everyone and welcome back to Heather's Happy Stitches. I'm Heather and today we are doing Staroar. You know, it's Staroar, but every time I heard it, I thought it was Star Roar, like rawr. But it's Staroar. I got this one on Amazon Prime, so it was 2 days shipping. So that was good. And obviously, we are doing an unbagging, a review, product review.
Those are extra.
Okay.
I got three big ones like that down in the bottom. I just got.
Okay.
That's one from VA right there. These are from Express Scripts. Do I just throw them away?
Hang on.
Somebody that can
Hang
use
on.
them?
Oh, I didn't know
you were doing it.
Sorry, family interruption, as always. Anyway, so we're doing Staroar. I got this on Amazon Prime, so it was a 2 day shipping, which is amazing. So, the picture we are doing is, bam. Oh, you can't see it. You can't see it either. Hang on. Let me turn this light. Oh, did that do it? Warm. That's pretty good. Not too bad, Claire. Okay. So that's what it is. Oh, gotta stay over here though. Alright, let me see if I can lower it, turn it off, and turn this one on. Come on. There. It is she calls it purple unicorn. And if you can see that, it is a 40 by 53 centimeter round rhinestone with AB. Yay! I'm excited. So let me turn my light back on. So the glare down here. There. So there's no glare, not a lot of glare down here. Alright, so as you may or may not know, I tally my diamond paintings from a score from 0 to 10. 5 for 2 different categories, the canvas and the drills. For the canvas we have, is it tacky? Is it clear? Is the size, the advertised size, or size as advertised? And then puckers, and then bubbles. So the difference between puckers and bubbles is bubbles you can flatten and be just fine, and then puckers are when the canvas is completely unusable. I've only ever had that once happen, so I'm not real worried about it. And then for drills, are all of the drills present? Are they clearly labeled? Do they have the DMC code? Is there apparent trash? And are they oily? And then that's 5 points here, 5 points here, 10 total. And then my overall impression. I have been doing it out of 10, but I think 10 is too high. So I'm going to change that to 5 out of 5. That includes, do I like the canvas? Did I like the shipping? Was there any problems? And if they did they fix them? Things like that. Like, I will never order from Vanilla and Cinnamon because their canvas was bubbled and puckered to all get out. I asked for a replacement canvas or a refund, and they never got back to me. I've asked them a couple of times. So there is that. But we are doing Staroar today, not Vanilla and Cinnamon. All right, so let's begin. I'm kind of excited about this. This is actually the one that I'm going to be doing next. I've heard some really good things about Staroar that I'm really looking forward to it.
What is this?
What? Why are you giving me that? Okay, so we've got the legend here, and it is, oh, I thought it was a sticker. I guess it's not. But we've got the legend here, and then instructions on how to do diamond painting. Alright, so we do have the DMC code, so it gets a point. Alright, let's look at the canvas. Woo! So we've got a standard kit. Let's see. We got baggies. Woo! The dull tip tweezers. I haven't gotten any of those before. And they're not branded. A plastic tip. Ooh, a straightener. Nice. I've been wanting one of these, so I'll keep that aside. And then a 7-placer, it says. White tray, a plate of wax. So I will be using these. I want to try working out of a bag, so I will be using these to set it up when I go to kit it up. Oh, there's one more in there. What is this? This is a 3-placer. Oh, 4-placer. Yay! I'll keep that out too, because 4-placers are my favorite. And all in this cool reusable bag that I will definitely keep. Alright. So the drills, let's set these aside. I'll come right back to those. But this is the diamond painting. You can clearly see what it is. So that's good. It doesn't look like a blob. Okay, so for tackiness, let's see. It's not super tacky. I have a feeling that the diamonds are going to be sliding around on it, but yeah, I have a feeling that the diamonds are going to be sliding around on it, so I am going to put a half a point for tacky, because even though it is tacky, it's not super duper tacky. Alright, clarity of the things, it's good. Okay. Let's see, can you see? Yeah, you can see. Hopefully it's all in focus. It's good and clear. Let me turn off this light again. Turn on this light. There. Kind of like a light pad. But everything is nice and in focus. Okay. Okay, so that light is working good for it being like that. Okay, clarity of symbols is good. Size as advertised. Let's see. So it's advertised as 40 by 52. Right there. 40 by 52. So I'm guessing 40, 52. Okay, so 52. Alright. Let me move this. Okay, so the painting itself is 47. The canvas size itself is 52. So it's going by the canvas size, not the actual diamond, the drill filled size. So this way, can you see at the bottom? This way is 35. The canvas size this way is 41. So yeah. So the canvas size this way is 41. The drill filled itself is 35. So it is as advertised. I just wish it wasn't, I just wish it was the drill filled, not the canvas size. I don't remember. Do I give? Okay. Bubbles or puckers? Let's see. Alright, so it doesn't look like there's any bubbles or puckers. Just a couple of thin spots that are just a couple of thin spots where it was rolled immediately after, probably pretty close to when the glue was poured. So there are thin spots where the there are thin spots. Alright. But it gets a point for bubbles and puckers, so tacky it gets 4.5 out of 5. Now, let's just look at the drills. Okay. Let's... Yeah. Okay. Ooh. They're regular drills, special drills, and there's supposed to be AB in here too, right there. Nice. Ooh, pretty. Alright, so let's see. There is... Jaden, get in your room.
Jaden, get in your room like Mommy said.
Okay, so there, where did my pen go? There's, looks like 21. There's 21 colors, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. Let's try that again. No, they're not in order, so I can't make sure. Okay. Okay, so there's definitely 21. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. That's 23 again. Okay, so we're gonna have to do this the other way. Make sure we got each individual color. So we will speed this part up. Okay, so what happened is that A9 797 had 2 bags, but they weren't next to each other, and I didn't see this one down here until just now. So it does have the right colors. There are supposed to be 23 bags. But because these 2 weren't next to each other in the, it's the first one and then yeah, the first one, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's the first bag and then the 10th bag that are the same color. Why they did that, I don't know, but that's what was throwing me off because I was looking to see if they were right next to each other and they weren't. So that's what kept throwing me off. Alright, so we have all the drills. Now they're clearly labeled. They don't look oily or stuck together. Alright, so let's look for apparent trash. Apparent trash is any like stowaways that are in stowaways, or like obviously damaged drills, things like that, or little beads of plastic. See this right here? This one here, it has a black one in the blue. Let's see. See if I can isolate it so you can see right there. It has the black in the blue. That's considered a stowaway. So that's one apparent piece of trash. Ooh, ABs. Pretty. This will be my first diamond paint actually doing one. Oh, there's a bit of plastic in there. Can you see that right there? And it's a bit of blue plastic. Right there. Oh, right there. Let's see. Let's see. Right Where'd it go? Oh, it got buried. Right here. That's a bit of, that's just actual trash. It's not a stowaway. So that's, what'd I say, 2? Oh, there's another bit right there. So that's 3. Ooh, another AB. Oh, there's some more. There are 2 stowaways right there. 1, 2. So that's 2, 3, 4. There's another one. 5. So it loses half a point for having 5 pieces of parent trash. Let me see. Oh, look. This is another AB, but there's more stowaways in here. So this is 6. There's a piece of plastic right there. That's not a drill. Right there. So that's 7. There's another stowaway right there. So that's 8. And another stowaway. 9. Oh, look, this one's a little nubby. I don't know if you can see it, but it's nubby. That's 10. So it's lost the full point. But there's bits of plastic in here. Right there. 11. There's 2, 3 in here. That's 12, 13, 14. There's plastic right there. Looks like just a string of plastic. So I don't remember, I'm not going to keep track of them anymore. I'm just going to point them out when I see them. And so there's a bit of plastic right there. Because it already lost its point. There's 2 more right there. Oh, this piece right here is deformed. Now the dreaded 310. I can't see any. Yay! Yay! And for these ones, these rhinestones are hard to judge because, like this one here, it has the metallic on the wrong side. And there are a lot of ones that are like the metallic bit on the other underside is damaged, and you don't notice until you're actually doing it. But it lost the full point for actual trash, so it gets a 4 out of 5 here. So that's what, 8.5, 8.5 out of 10. Overall impression, the canvas is good. I do have a feeling that it's going to slide over all over the place, but I won't know that until I'm actually doing the canvas. The drills look good beyond the trash. They don't look, especially the 310s look good, because there's almost always trash out of the 310s. The drills look good. They're not super staticky. They're not oily. They don't look like they're stuck together. They look pretty good. Ordering off of Amazon, it was a good, quick delivery time. So we like that. We always like that. It's got a legend plus a small legend, so that if you don't like... Oh, and it's got a checklist over here. So like if you lose this, you can do it over here. Overall good experience. So I will give it I'd say 4.5 out of 5 for the overall impression, because I have the impression that the drills are going to slide all over the place because of the way the glue is, but there's no way of actually telling until I actually do it. But that's my feeling, so I will detract half a point off of it for that. I will give it back or take the full point if I am either proven wrong or right, depending on when I do it, because this is the next diamond painting that I am going to be doing. So, but there you are. A total of 8.5 out of 10, and an overall impression of 4.5 out of 5. So all in all, will more than likely buy again, because the price point was good enough that... Let me see, how much did I pay for this one? Why does it still say Cox? Let's see. I paid $22.99 for this, which is not a bad price considering the size, off of Amazon. Let me just... Okay, yeah. See, I ordered it January 10th. It was delivered the 13th. So, yeah, it was a good thing. So, but the price is good, the quality is good. It's a little, I kind of wish, the only thing that I wish would be different is instead of them going by the full canvas size, just going by the drill size, or the drill filled size. But you know, beggars can't be choosers. So, alright. There you go. We'll definitely buy again. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember, you are beautiful. You are amazing. Keep being you.